Looking for a breakfast that's comforting, healthy, and packed with flavor? Say hello to shakshuka, the one-skillet wonder from the Middle East that'll totally change your breakfast game. The word shakshuka comes from Arabic, meaning a mixture, and that's exactly what it is. Originating in Tunisia, shakshuka spread across North Africa and the Levant during the 16th century, adapting to local flavors. In Israel, it's a breakfast favorite. In Egypt, it's served with baladi bread. In Morocco, it's spicy. In Libya, it's often made with lamb. This dish traveled with Jewish and Arab communities, evolving across borders, but always staying true to its roots: tomatoes, peppers, spices, and eggs. It's more than food, it's culture in a pan. Here's what you'll need to make the perfect shakshuka for 2 hungry people, or 3 if you're willing to share. 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 medium onion diced, 1 red bell pepper diced, 3 garlic cloves minced, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon sweet paprika, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne, optional for heat, 5 to 6 fresh tomatoes, chopped, or 1 can of crushed tomatoes, 400 grams, salt and pepper to taste, 4 large eggs, fresh parsley or cilantro for garnish, crumbled feta cheese, optional, and warm pita or crusty bread for serving. Want deeper flavor? Add a teaspoon of tomato paste when sautéing. It adds umami magic. Don't have fresh tomatoes? Canned crushed tomatoes or passata work great. Heat oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Sauté onion and bell pepper until soft, about 5 minutes. Add garlic and spices. Cumin, paprika, cayenne. Stir until fragrant, around 30 seconds. Add chopped tomatoes or canned. Let it simmer for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Season with salt and pepper. Taste and adjust. Create little wells in the sauce and crack eggs directly into them. Cover and cook on low heat until whites are set and yolks are still runny, about 5 to 7 minutes. Garnish with parsley and feta if using. Serve immediately with warm bread for dipping. Cover the pan with a lid or foil to speed up egg poaching and keep steam in. Like your yolks firmer? Let them cook for an extra 2 to 3 minutes. Shakshuka is endlessly adaptable. Try these versions. Green shakshuka, swap tomatoes for spinach, leeks and zucchini. Cheesy shakshuka, add mozzarella or halloumi. Spicy Tunisian style, add harissa for a fiery kick. Meaty shakshuka, add ground lamb or merguez sausage. Shakshuka doesn't judge. It welcomes all flavors. One bite and you'll see why shakshuka has taken the world by storm. It's budget-friendly, healthy, high in protein, and customizable for any taste. Plus, you don't even need to be a chef to make it. If you can stir and crack an egg, you've got this. If you loved this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more Middle Eastern flavors from my kitchen to yours. And let me know in the comments, what would you add to your shakshuka? Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating.